Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by converting the biscuits into a stable base. Pulse 200 g plain biscuits to fine crumbs, then explain why fine crumbs bind better. Once done, mix 60 g melted butter and 1 tablespoon sugar so the fats lock the crumbs. Press firmly into a 20 cm springform. Make sure to chill 10 to 15 minutes so the crust firms and resists sogginess when the batter is added. This step gives structure and a caramelized flavor foundation for the cake layers. You now prepare a light cake batter and incorporate biscuit texture smartly. Start by creaming 125 g butter with 125 g sugar until pale. This traps air for lift. Once done, beat in 2 eggs one at a time and 1 teaspoon vanilla to stabilize the emulsion. Make sure to sift 150 g flour with 1 teaspoon baking powder and fold gently. Then fold in 100 g crushed biscuits and 60 ml milk to maintain moisture. You finish by baking and finalizing texture and flavor. Pour the batter over the chilled biscuit base and smooth the top. Bake at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes until a skewer comes out clean or with a few crumbs. Once done, cool 10 minutes in the pan to set, then release and cool fully before icing so condensation won't soften the crust. If the center is soggy, tent with foil and return to the oven for 5 to 10 minutes to finish without over-browning.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.